This is the Box Legend Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. Comes with all of this stuff. We'll put some links in the description box below. This is our Samsung dryer. And this is where our dryer vent is. And oh my goodness, it's been causing us some significant problems. We've got dog hair, we've got all sorts of junk you can see on this main filter. But if you look deeper down in here, we've got a larger problem. Look at all of that junk. And it's causing the dryer to not dry properly, to shut off and stop because we think it's overheating. So let's clean this out. So here's how this thing works. Basically, we're going to take our vacuum hose and we're going to stick this over the hose piece. And then this is going to work down onto this longer nozzle piece that then has this little hook around it. You can see the metal edge. And basically what this metal handle does is it gives us leverage to move this down and inside our dryer vent area. And that's going to allow us to clean this out. All right, so here's the vacuum we're going to use today. We'll go ahead and unravel the cord and get this hose out of the way. But you can see our little bin area is empty. Let's see how much of this junk we can get out and into the vacuum. Okay, things are all hooked up. You can see we have the wand hose out here. It goes into this blue cup. We have the smaller end over here where this specific little nozzle goes in. And then basically this is what we're going to put down into our vent. Let's check and make sure we're getting suction out of this. Okay, so obviously we're going to get this top stuff fairly easily, but these hoses are meant to be manipulated way down into the bottom here. So this is the junk that was sitting way down there at the bottom. Look at how bunched up this is. And there's a bunch more. So obviously when you get way in there, check it. Make sure you don't have these big clumps kind of blocking the rest of your suction. Okay, friends, so after cleaning out the top, what you can see in here is we have all sorts of junk down there at the bottom. So that was able to get some of that out. And then check this out. This is all the stuff that wouldn't even fit up the hose, just big clumps of lint. Definitely a fire danger, definitely going to prevent your dryer from working properly. So thumbs up on this little guy, really handy tool. We're gonna make sure we use this every couple of months now just to keep things really nice and clean in there. Now again, you can find this on Amazon. We'll put links in the description box below. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button. Let's start making good videos for you. And then stay tuned. We'll be reviewing more products like this here in the near future on the channel. Subscribe and we'll see you again on the next one.